Global payroll breaks when teams only find issues at the last minute. Data lives across systems, rules vary by country, and understanding why something changed can take hours. With Deel, AI runs continuously inside payroll, not as a chatbot, but as a built-in intelligence. It monitors payroll data in real time, flags missing inputs, detects anomalies, and checks compliance before payroll is approved. AI works in the background. It detects unusual pay changes, missing data, and potential compliance risks automatically, without anyone needing to ask. When teams need answers, AI agents step in, ask a question in plain language, and the agent explains what changed, why it happened, and which workers or rules were involved. Agents don't take control. They work within your rules. They prepare actions, route approvals, and surface the right context so teams act faster without losing governance. Fewer surprises, faster investigations, more confidence every cycle. That's AI Workforce for Payroll, intelligence built into the system that runs your global payroll.